Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ary Chairudin Yusuf. Today I would like to talk about human uh, environment and livelihood for the task. First, I would like to talk about human. What is human? Human is a member of the species Homo sapiens, which means wise man in Latin. Carolus Linnaeus put humans in the mammalian order of primates. Humans are a type of hominid, and chimpanzees, baboons, bonobos, gorillas, and orangutans are their close living relatives. Humans are mammals. They are also social animals. They usually live in a group. They help and protect each other. They care for their children. Humans are bipedal, which means they walk in two legs. We are human. Humans have a very complex brain, which is much larger than that of the other living apes. They use language, make ideas, and feel emotions. That's human. This brain and the fact that arms are not needed for walking lets human use tools. Humans use tools for more than any other species. That is human. We are all human. We know what is human because we are human. And next is environment. Environment is a place where different things are such as a swampy or hot environment. It can be it can be living, biotic, or non-living abiotic things. It includes physical, chemical, and other natural forces. Living things live in their environment. They constantly interact with it and adapt themselves to a condition in their environment. In the environment, there are different interactions between animals, plants, soil, water, and other living and non-living things. Since everything is a part of the environment of something else, the word environment is used to talk about many things. People in different fields of knowledge use the word environment differently. Electromagnetic environment is radio waves and other electromagnetic radiation and magnetic fields. The environment of galaxy refers to condition of interstellar medium. That is environment in different things, in different way, in different definition. But in biology and ecology, the environment is all of the natural materials and living things, including sunlight. That is environment. If those things are natural, it is natural environment. Environments include the living and non-living things that an organism interacts with or has an effect on it. Living elements that an organism interacts with are known as biotic elements, such as animals, plants, humans, and etc. Abiotic abiotic elements are non-living things which include air, water, sunlight, soil, rock, and etc. Studying the environment means studying the relationship among these various things. An example of interaction between non-living and living things is a plant getting their mineral from the soil and making food using sunlight. Or predation, an organism eat each other, eating it another, or eating another. Now, I want to talk about livelihood. I will make this short. The natural environment is source of livelihood because nature is source of food for living things. With nature, we can meet the necessity of life. If our natural environment is damaged or we make it damaged, then who will support us? How can we live without nature? Therefore, the natural environment is the source of living and for living things. As the saying goes, the human are social creator, so we really need help from the natural environment. We cannot live without a natural environment. We cannot live without a plant. We cannot live in damaged environment because how can we find a food where when the environment is damaged? How can the animal live without the environment? How can human live without the environment? That is the big thing that we should No, because without environment we are nothing. We can't live without environment. So we need to protect our environment. We need to protect our natural environments. We don't. We need to stop uh, the bad people from damage our environment. That's all from me. Thank you very much.